angry? Really? Who made you angry? Was it Kemiso? What did Kemiso do? Was she just irritating? Really? I don't know, she irritates you. Can I get smooches? Are you okay? No, why are you not okay, Ruru Bailey? What? You don't know? Why you look so bored? Mom? Is it Mom? What did Mom do? I just come back from work. Yes, but I can't take you with. You know that, right? You know that, right? Okay, I'll take you next time with me to work. Do you want that? Will that make you happy? Yeah? Okay, what do you want to do? Oh, okay. Okay, we can arrange that. Should I ask Kemiso? Do you want mommy to ask Kemiso? Want mommy to ask Kemiso? Hey?